have shown us the path of love, humanity, equality, and kindness. The teaching of continues to inspiring people of with living faith and compassion. Now let's welcome Divya Sri Falke to share thoughts on importance of Sant.
Good afternoon, all respected sir, madam, and my dear friends. My name is Miss Divyashi Pradeep Valke. Today I am going to speak about the importance of santans. Santans are the way lights of society. Santans show us path to truth, kind, honest, and devotional. The great santans in Maharashtra, such as Sant Dhaneshwar Maharaj, Sant Eknath Maharaj, Sant Namdev Maharaj, Sant Tukaram Maharaj, and Sant Chokamela, taught us that all peoples are equal in the eye of God. They inspire people to help others, respect everyone, and always speak to truth and always remember God. The values among let us follow the teaching of our great santans to become kind, honest, and responsible citizens. The values Abhanga speaking. Abhanga रूप झाला ओलोचनी सुख झाले ओ सासणी तो हा विठ्ठल भरवा तो हा माधव बोला भरवा बोला पुंडलिक वरदान हरी विठ्ठल श्री ज्ञानेश्वर तुकाराम पंढरीनाथ महाराज की जय. थँक्यू.